All right, so welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. Thank you very much again for tuning in. A little bit hot in idea, put more of this, so sun turn up. Anyways, so I'm just gonna give you guys some quick update on the Unity Cup that is coming up. But in the meantime, thank you very much again every single time, people. If you know this channel, make no sense at all. Massive respect for the support. All right, so big up on yourself, people. So I'm just bring it up right now. So this is the Unity Cup that has been hosted in London. Again, more clarity here. Last time I did a video, initially, information was that it's England that would be involved, but clarity came out a bit further down, and I made some rectification under the video. The pinned comment under the video would have highlighted the name, the teams, whatever. But just for clarity now, for more clarity where that is concerned, date, start time, date and this stuff have now been released. We won't be expecting it. So prepare yourself. If you live in any one of them region, yeah. If you live in the possible region, go and support. Really go out and support if you can. Would be really interesting if you can. All right, so here we go. Kicks off on Tuesday, the 27th of May. First match is Trinidad versus Jamaica, and me personally, me didn't want to play one of the African teams. Me tell you the truth. Me didn't want to play one of my forefathers. Me didn't want to play. It don't really matter which one. Just to test where we're at, really and truly. I want to see where we're at in this footballing. Me know personally, me know say boy, we know say we're not really ready. Still, we know we're not really ready. But at least we want to go up against these teams who have the caliber players who are partaking in the World Cup on a regular basis. So I'm very much interested, I was very much interested in us playing against one of these teams, if not both of them. But based off how it sets up, the possibilities are we will most definitely play one of them. I wanted to play both of them, but we will play only one. So as you can see, first match day is Tuesday, the 27th of May, 2025. Trinidad versus Jamaica. Soca Warriors versus the Reggae Boyz. Second match day we have is the Black Stars Ghana versus Nigeria Green Eagles. And that would be on the following day, which is the 28th of May, 2025. Then on the final day would be Saturday, the 31st of May, 2025. You will have losers of match 1 versus losers of match 2. And then we have winners of match 1 versus winners of match 2. So basically, technically that would be like the finals and second place, then the finals. Second place match, then the finals. So losers between Trinidad and Tobago and losers are going to play against losers between Ghana and Nigeria. So it'll be quite interesting. I really wanted to play both teams. Honestly, I'm telling the truth. Thinking that like a round robin type of thing where everybody play against each other. Now drive a little bit more interest. Maybe they never want it to last too long. Just maybe because Gold Cup is around the corner. World Cup qualifications they're around the corner as well. So all of these things I have to factor in. But at the end of the day, these are the games, these are the dates. The time, we'll get that in future references. So for now, this is the update me have to drop, people. So now I'm gonna further than here. Big up on yourself, hit the like button. Thank you very much again, people. Really appreciate the support. Massive respect every time. MG Sports TV. We are out. You know already how that go. God bless. Boom. Now I mean outside.